In this video, I'm going to show you how many devices are logged into your Instagram. So let's go to Instagram, and you want to go to your home page at the bottom right-hand corner. And then you want to go to the three lines at the top right corner. And from here, once this loads up, you want to go to Accounts Center at the very top and go to your password and security. So once you're here, you want to go down to where it says security checks and go ahead and click on where you're logged in. And this is going to show you the accounts that you are logged into. You can go ahead and go through and click on one of these. I'm just going to click on the Instagram here. As you see, it says +8 more. And it's going to show you all of the devices that have been logged into it. But that's pretty much it. It gives you the time frame and the possible location. But that's it. Super simple and super easy to go and check what devices are logged into your Instagram. And you can back out of here and go through these other accounts. And it's real easy to just see where you are logged into.